Howdy, I'm David Noe, CEO of FinGoal. We're based in Boulder, Colorado. We build AI-powered fintech infrastructure that we white label to trusted financial brands. Our flagship product is Find Money, where we use AI to analyze consumer credit and debit card transactions in order to effectively comparison shop every dollar that they spend, from their daily cup of coffee to home and auto insurance and everything in between. Half of adults in this country are not prepared for a $400 surprise expense. Our team saw that a few years ago, and we got right to work. Because 400 bucks comes up fast. That's a busted water heater. That's the timing belt on your car. That's the deductible when your little girl breaks her arm. And today, we've all read the reports and heard from friends and family who have no idea what their financial future looks like right now. But we can help. Let me show you how. Let me show you why our bank customers and trusted brands like MetLife love us. We white label our Find Money feature and inject it directly into the existing digital banking experience. Here's a demo. This is Jake logged into his bank app. By analyzing his data, we can see that he lives in Overland Park, outside of Kansas City. We see doggy daycare spend, and we know that he's a dog owner. And a couple times a month, he's going to a local beer garden for happy hour. Now let's zoom in and show you what we do. We converted Jake from PetSmart to Chewy.com, where he's getting the same brands of dog food but paying less for it. That's a simple example, but you see how it works. Let me show you another. I mentioned the beer gardens, but we found Jake another pub that's equally convenient to where he lives with a great outdoor space. Beer's $1.50 cheaper, and it's got Yelp scores that are half a star higher. But here's what really matters to Jake. This place is dog friendly. That's what we mean when we say hyper-personalized advice. Pulling it all together, we make it ridiculously easy for the end user to automatically transfer the money we save them into a long-term deposit account with their financial institution. That gives them now the financial breathing room to hit and meet those $400 surprises. And that's how FinGoal finds money.